Removing the exterior mirror on the W203 is almost the same as on the W211. The only difference is that with the W203 you first have to remove the door panel in order to be able to unplug the mirror cables later. Video for removing the door panel is in the info card or the description.
Remove mirror glass.
To remove the complete exterior mirror, you must first remove the mirror glass and the mirror cap. Tilt the mirror glass forward. At the back, you will now see a clip that secures the glass to the actuator at the top. Press the brace down a bit, and then slide it inwards, thus releasing it from the anchorage. Afterwards, the mirror glass can be tilted out at the top and finally removed. Now unplug the heater and you're done.
Remove mirror cap.
After the glass has been removed, the mirror cap can be removed. For this purpose, a clip is located at the marked point. Pull the clip backwards and the mirror cap outwards at the same time. Here again the clip after the mirror cap has been removed. The best tool for this is a long slotted screwdriver that is angled at the end. When reinstalling, simply push the cap back on, tap lightly. The clasp will then lock automatically.
Remove mirror housing.
Once the mirror cap is off, you can see the 3 screws of the mirror housing. All screws are now freely accessible and can be unscrewed. On the inside, you only need to unplug the cables of the exterior mirror, and then you can remove it. When installing, you can of course simply follow all the steps backwards. However, it is easier to mount the mirror glass first, and then the mirror cap. Both ways are possible, but this way you save yourself the hassle of fiddling around with the clip on the mirror glass. That's it for now. Good luck with your project.